What's up and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to unbox that May 2019 Boxycharm box. Yes, I received it early this month in PR, so I'm excited to do my first unboxing of my first PR box. So for you guys who don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a $21 a month beauty subscription. It'll cost you $21 a month, which includes shipping. You'll receive 4 to 5 full-size beauty products based on your beauty quiz, and the value of the box will be at least $100. And once you become a charmer, you can then be eligible for Boxy Lugs and any limited edition boxes that are out there. On Thursday, I'm supposed to receive my skincare limited edition box, so I'm excited for that. Look for my unboxing of it soon. So let's get into it. Let's see what's in this box today. Okay, Boxycharm always has kind of the same box but different sizes, and I noticed this one was a different shape than the last box. This was the last box. This was more of the normal size box, but this was a little bit smaller. But the products in this box are a little bit smaller. So let's see. When you open it up, you always have an insert card showing you what's in your box. Now, the monthly theme this month is Making Waves. Now, this is a great theme for summer, so I'm excited about this theme. And on the back side, we have each and every product listed that's in your box. We also have the variation. We know that they're going to have a lot of variations in this May box. I am variations. My variation is 13. Yes. Okay. And the first product that I am just so excited about is from First Aid Beauty. It's the Hello Fab Coconut Water Cream. This sells for $34. Now, I used this cream today, and oh, this is one of the best smelling creams, facial creams that I have ever smelled. It has a coconut scent, but it's mixed with like maybe vanilla. And let me show you what it looks like inside. It's not a heavy cream. Let me put a little bit on my back of my hand. It smells, oh, I love that smell. It smells like a baby scent, like maybe coconut and maybe vanilla. I just love this scent. Let me put, you see it's real creamy and it just goes right into your skin. This is going to be a very versatile moisturizer for a lot of people. You see how moist my hand looks now? I really love how it made my face feel once I put it on after I cleansed and put my facial serum. But yeah, it's, oh, and it just smells so good, so good. And this bottle is valued at $34. Yes, First Aid Beauty. The next product I received was the Alamar Cosmetics Colory Palette in medium tan. And these colors are just so beautiful. Look at that. I actually have those colors on my face today, as you can see. I mixed the middle one, I mixed Seclusion and Isla. This peachy color and this pinky peach, kind of just used those two, and I love the shade it came out of my face. It's beautiful. But yeah, and I'm really glad that I got these shades instead of the lightest ones, because as I get tan over the summer, going outside will make me a lot more tanner. The lightest shades will not be dark enough for my skin. So I'm really happy I got these medium shades. I think these will look good. And this is valued at $22. Let me make sure my prices are correct. the cream, 34 and 22. And then we have from Ciate London, the Eye Luster Cream eyeshadow. And it's in a box. As you can see, it says Ciate London. And I got the shade Cupid. And I actually used this as an inner corner highlight, and also I used it as a liquid highlighter on my cheekbones. But let me swatch it for you. This is the shade Cupid, and it sells for $22. Look how beautiful. You can see that? Let me put it a little closer. I don't know how, I'm doing the wrong thing here. You can see how beautiful it is. I think it's very pretty. And the next item that I received in my box, variation 13, is from Orza Beauty. It's a lip gloss, and they call this lip gloss Opaline Top Gloss. And I'm not sure if that's the name of the gloss or it's the name of the shade. I couldn't find a shade on the gloss. It's very hard to see. It looks like more of a rose gold. It's very, very pretty. I actually have it on my lips right now. Let me add a little bit more. Get my mirror up. And we'll just put it on top. I used it as a lip topper. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. It's not sticky. It's really moisturizing. I love the way it feels. Let me show you here. And I think these are fairly new to Orza Beauty. Yeah, you can see the rosy pink shade to it. And this is it right here. Let me put this next to it. You can see this is the shade right here. It's really pretty. Alrighty. And last but not least, we received a beautiful, and I didn't realize this when I first saw these eyelash curlers. It's got a holographic tint to the top, so it's a little different, and I love collecting these. You never know when this little part right here will eventually go out on you, and you can always change the little rubber part right here. So everyone can use an eyelash curler. And this eyelash curler is from the brand Pure Cosmetics, and it sells for $18. And that is all our products for this month. Boxycharm is a great value, guys. If you're not subscribed to Boxycharm, you should really look at this box, because just the Ciate London eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow, sells for $22. That's the whole box. All the other products are free. This box values at $110.99. Yes, you paid $21 for a box valued at $110.99. If you're on a budget, if you want value, you can't find any kind of value like this. I mean, really think about it. If you go in a drugstore and buy drugstore makeup, it's gotten so expensive, you can't buy much for $21. You certainly cannot buy a high-end liquid eyeshadow, a $34 cream. You can't even buy a $34 cream for $21. So it's your choice. I have the link below if you're interested in joining the Charmer family. I think it's the best box out there. It's got such good value if you're a makeup lover like I am. So thank you all for joining me. Remember about our 10,000 subscriber appreciation giveaway we have going on right now. I am still gathering up all those prizes, but I just want to say there might be a Natasha Denona palette in there. There may be several Jeffree Star palettes in the mix. Maybe some BH Cosmetics palettes. You know how we roll on my channel. We always have lots of good prizes. So I'm going to do a dedicated video of all those prizes soon. But I wanted to get started at the beginning of the month. So start commenting. At the end of this video, let's see, put up, since it's summertime and our theme for Boxycharm is making waves, some type of summertime emoji, be it a beach ball, the sun shining, anything. Put that at the end of your comment as your giveaway clue. And I'll also link that video up above from last month so you can see the rules and regulations to the giveaway. So please remember to share this video if you have some friends that may want to watch it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Please join my Instagram family. I'm trying to get to 1,000. I have like 800. I need a few more people just to subscribe to my Instagram. It's at Kendy Jane 18. I put lots of little sneak peeks and different things up, and I'm putting more and more. So remember that, and if you liked my video, please give me a like. I would truly, truly appreciate it. And until next time, take care. Bye. Mwah.